How's it going, YouTube and Kobalt World? In my last video with my 300-piece mechanics set, I had pulled out my Kobalt locking blade or lock blade box cutter that these things are metal, they're heavy duty, they're almost like carrying a pocket knife is what they feel like. And they just lock open. They got the little push bar here on the back, push it down so you can fold it closed. They come with these little plastic protector tips for the that come over the blade, just like that. I keep putting mine back on there. One, because of the fact that I'm locking it closed, I don't have to worry about cutting myself, so that's why I leave that on there. I actually bought this in a 2-pack with 50 pack of blades. Let's see if I can find the blades. So I got another one of these floating around here somewhere. I was keeping them over on my other workbench that I need to go through, clean it off. But I found the blades. So I got a 50 count of blades and 2 of these knives. $10. They don't sell them anymore. You can get the knife. I think it's 1 knife, and I don't think it's a full 50 count of blades with it. You might not even have that anymore. You can still buy the knives, but I don't know if you can buy them in a set, and if you do, they're a lot more expensive now. Because when I bought mine, the 2-pack of these with this was cheaper than, at the time they had this with one of these, and it was like 14, 15 bucks. I paid $10 for 2 of these with that. So yeah, been using this a lot, love it. The other one's sitting over there somewhere, hasn't been used yet. This one gets used all the time. They both have nice little belt clips on the outside, just like a pocket knife would. And 50 count blades. These aren't cheap by themselves. So yeah, that was one of the best purchases I made. And as soon as I was like, nope, throw that in the cart right now. Had to have it. So while we're going over all my miscellaneous tools, I think at the same time, bought the 25-foot Kobalt magnetic tape measure. So that little thing right there, a little silver bar, is the magnet. Works pretty good too. The tape measure has a high-vis yellow top. It has all of the markings that you need. You get the 16 inches. It's got the double arrow, obviously 16-inch on center for studs. One side's got your. Let me do it this way. One side has your standard increments of 1/8, quarter inch, 3/8, normal tape measure. But then on the bottom side, if I can get it to focus, it actually has them written out, every 1/8 inch, which is really cool. The right now I'm just extending it out. Let's see how far I can go before it breaks down. I'm at 8 feet, 9 feet. It's starting to bend pretty good. There it went. for 9 feet. I can extend this out 9 feet before it breaks. It's got a really nice heavy duty rubber. It's a combination of rubber and plastic. It's a plastic case that has rubberized features on it, such as the backbone and the base. It's got a really deep hook on here. It's got the slot for hooking it over a nail or a screw. On the bottom side, it's got a tape measure. It's got the tape for measuring vertically, so you can see either side. Or if you're measuring overhead, sometimes whatever the case may be, you've got tape measure on both sides. On one side is white, which is the bottom. On the top, it's yellow. I thought that was a pretty nice feature that they added. It's also got a pretty stiff belt clip. So you can clip it on your belt, clip it on your pants, clip it on your tool pouch. The lock on it is really smooth and doesn't take a lot of pressure to apply it or release it. I'm not going to do the old let it snap back. That's how you break your tape measure. So, yeah, used it quite a bit. It's actually really nice, really nice tape measure. One of the other miscellaneous tool kits that I got for Christmas a couple years ago was. They're all sitting over on the wall. I got the, I'll just grab a couple of them. All right, so everybody remembers the old Craftsman hard plastic handled screwdrivers. These are Kobalt. I believe it was a 21-piece kit or something like that, and it came with 4 of the Phillips, which the Phillips are blue. The standard are red. That came with 4 of the standard. So I've got 2 of the bigger heads. I have I believe this is like a number 3. Nope, this is a number 2. It's a 6-inch number 2. Then I have the shorter number 2. I have a number 1 that is a little bit shorter than the shorter version of this, and then I have the little stubby. I'll grab it. Hold on. Alright, so when I said a little stubby, I have a Phillips and I also have a standard this size. And then I also have a square bit, which is green. I have, this is a Torx 20 or a TX 20. So it's the star-shaped one. There's actually 2 others that came with this. They're not over there for whatever reason. The girlfriend's been borrowing tools. So it is what it is. They also came with a few other like specialty tools. Hold on. So they also come with the jeweler's Phillips screwdriver, a couple different sizes of those, and a standard. You know, might have to repair eyeglasses. I don't have to wear any right now. Also came with a angle head. I guess I would call it a pick, but it's like an owl punch. Here's a 90-degree angled one, and then a straight. And then it also had an L-shaped Phillips head on one end and a standard on the other end. So, yep, these get used a ton. Really nice set. I really like them. So, I think you can still get these. Still think you can get these. Might want to check them out if you're looking to get a nice screwdriver set. The other nice thing about these is that a lot of people don't understand why the handles are made the way they are. Those handles are made this way for a reason. I don't have any of my wrenches out, so give me a second. Alright, so these handles, which I went back to the old pointy here, that's a 17 millimeter. Fits right in there. Now, my bigger handled screwdrivers, I don't have a wrench big enough to go over those, but if I did, that's what that's for. So that way you can turn around and put downward pressure and use the wrench to get a little bit more grip and twisting power to be able to break some of those screws and nuts, whatever it may be loose. And that is why they made those handles just like that. So might be something some of you younger guys may not have ever known, and now you do. So kind of running out of tools to go over. Probably got more that I could go over, but right now I think I'm gonna call it quits for the night. And you guys keep staying safe out there. Keep tuning in. I'll keep pumping out videos. If you like what you see, click the like button, subscribe, click that bell, and you'll be able to watch whatever videos I put out. You guys have a good one.